Hello students, this is your GK class, okay, GK of second standard, and our today's topic is on my plate. You can check in your book, okay, in your GK book, the second content on my plate, okay, we will learn today in this class. So let's begin our today's class. These are the contents of our today's class. So our first content is Foodie Tales. FOODY Foodie Tales. TALES Foodie Tales. Now the next content is fresh fruits. Fresh fruits. FRESH fresh fruits. FRUITS fruits. Fresh fruits. Now what will they use? Next content is what will they use? Now we will learn about foodie tales, about fresh fruits, and what will they use. Okay, so these are our today's content. Now let's start with our first content, that is the foodie tales. Okay, foodie tales. See, what we'll do here, we will give you one clue. Okay, read the clue and fill the name of fruits, vegetables and food items. Okay, read the clues and fill the names of fruits, vegetables and food item. Here I will give you one clue. Now what you have to do? You have to find out the clue and fill the missing letters. Here I am giving you some letters, but some letters are missing there. So you have to find out the clue, what is the correct answer, and you have to fill that missing letters. Okay, so our first clue is, okay, now after giving the clue I will told you one story also. Okay, I will tell you one story. Now after listening that story you can also find out the answer. Okay, you can find out the missing letter. Now the clue is, okay, the little red hen wanted her friend to help her bag these. Okay, the little red hen wanted her friends to help her bag this. Now here the little red hen, okay, red hen. Now what she wanted her friends to help her bag this. Okay, she wants her friend to bag this. What she want? Okay, now this is the clue, and now I will tell you one story. Okay, the story is about a hard-working little red hen. Okay, there is one hen and her color is red. That is why we are saying little red hen. Okay, now what she want? She wanted her friends to help her make bread. Okay, she wanted her friends to help her make bread, but her friends just wanted to lie in the sun. Okay, her friends wanted to lie in the sun means her friends don't want to help the red hen. Okay, so she needed to do everything by herself. When her friends refused to help the little red hen, so what she does, she do everything by herself. Okay, she needed to do everything by herself. Why? Because her friends did not help her. Okay, how that red hen asked to their friends, who will help me bake the bread, she asks. But her three friends did not want the task. Okay, helping friends is also a task. Okay, and her three friends did not want the task. So here the little red hen has to make her bread by herself. Okay, I hope you all understand about listening this story. What is the clue of this word? Okay, here I am giving the missing letters. Okay, here I am giving one word, but here are some letters are missing. So you have to fill that missing letter and complete the word. Okay, B dash E dash D. Now can you guess what will be the answer and what will be the missing letters? Yes, you can see I have already given the picture also of bread. So the right answer is bread. The little red hen wanted her friends to help her bake. How we make bread? By bake, right? So the answer is bread. So after B we will write R. B R E A D, bread. So this is the complete spelling of bread. Okay, now let's see the next. Now number 2. Here the clue is Snow White ate this fruit and fell asleep. Snow White ate this fruit and fell asleep. Now here, which fruit Snow White ate and fell asleep? Can you guess the fruit? I have given the missing letters. Okay, some letters are written here. You can guess, and you can guess by looking this picture also. Can you guess which fruit is this? Yes? Yes, this is apple. Okay, so Snow White ate apple and fell asleep. Okay, so let's complete the spelling of apple. Dash P dash L S. Okay, now what is the spelling of apple? A P P L E, apple, right? So the first dash we will write A. P is written here, and after P again we have to write P. L is written, and next is E. So like this you have to fill the dash and complete the word. Okay, so this clue is for apple. Okay. Now let's see the third one. Okay, let's read the clue and let's find out the answer. Okay, so the clue is the fairy godmother turned this vegetable into a carriage for Cinderella. Okay, the fairy godmother turned this vegetable into a carriage for Cinderella. Okay, now carriage means the old fashioned vehicle which is pulled by horses. Okay, vehicles which is pulled by horses, that is we call carriage. Okay, now here we have to find out which vegetable that godmother turned into the carriage. Carriage means that vehicles. Okay, which vegetable turned into vehicle by godmother. So here in this picture you can see and you can tell that what is this vegetable. Can you guess the vegetable? Yes, this is pumpkin. The godmother, the fairy godmother turned pumpkin into a carriage for Cinderella. Okay. So, what is the spelling of pumpkin? Here some letters are written and some letters are missing. So, we have to fill that missing letters. Now, let's see. P dash M dash dash I dash. Now, the spelling of pumpkin is P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin. So, after P we will write U and after M you will write P, and after P we will write K, I is already written, and then N. So, this is the spelling of pumpkin. P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin. Okay. Now, let's read our fourth clue and let us find the answer. Okay. The clue is Goldilocks at this days in the house of the three bears. Okay, Goldilocks at these days in the house of the three bears. Now Goldilocks is the name of a girl, okay, who went for work. After when she is working, she felt hungry. So what she did, she saw one house. She went to that house and knocked the door, but no one answered. Okay, so what she did, she went directly inside to the house and she saw 3 bowls of porridge. Okay, so she felt hungry, so she went directly to the dining and she started eating the porridge. Okay, now here what is porridge? Okay, porridge is a cereal that we eat in the breakfast. Okay, porridge like oats, like cornflakes. Okay, that we all eat in the breakfast, right? That is we call porridge. Okay, so here the answer is porridge. Okay, She saw porridge in the dining table. So our right answer is porridge. So we will write here porridge. Let's find out the missing letters of porridge. Here letters written P dash R dash dash D dash E. So let's complete the spelling of porridge. P O R. Now again we have to write here R. P O R R I D G E. Porridge. P O R I D G E. Porridge. Okay. So Goldilocks ate porridge in the house of 3 bears. Okay, all you understand about porridge? Porridge is a cereal that we eat in the breakfast. Okay. Now let's read the 5th clue and let's find out the answer. The fox wanted to eat these. Now, what is these? Can you tell me? You can see in this picture and you can find out that what does fox wanted to eat. Can you guess? Yes? This is grapes, right? Fox wanted to eat grapes. Okay. So, what is the spelling of grapes? G R A P E S. Grapes. Okay. Now here we are written G R dash dash E S. So which 3 letter is missing? G R. After G R, which letter will come? A. Yes. G R A P E S. Grapes. Okay. So the fox wanted to eat grapes. So write the grapes. Complete the spelling. Okay. The goose laid golden dash. Now the goose laid golden dash. What does the goose lay? Golden egg. Okay. The goose laid the golden eggs. Okay. We can find out by looking this picture also. You can see the golden egg, right? So we will write here eggs. E G G S. Eggs. Okay. The goose laid golden eggs. So these are the answer of the clue. Okay, we have read the clue and we find the answer, right? So you all have book of GK, right? So please write down whatever answer, whatever the missing letter I have taught you today. Okay. Now our next content is fresh fruits. Okay. Fresh fruits. F-R-E-S-H. Fresh fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fresh fruits. Now we have to find out here by looking the picture of fruits what is the spelling of that fruit. Okay, and we will fill the missing letters. And and we will also fill the missing letters to get the name of some fruits. Okay, fill in the missing letters to get the name of some fruit. Put tick in the correct. Okay, like eat without peeling or peel before eating. Okay, I have given you two columns, right? One is eat without peeling, means fruit that we eat without peeling, means we can eat directly. And peel before eating, means fruit that we peel before eating. So which fruit is peel and which fruit is without peeling, you have to find out and tick on the circle. Okay, put tick on the circle. Now let's see the first one. Number 1 is Bunty likes to eat. Can you tell me which fruit Bunty likes to eat? Yes, Bunty likes to eat apples. Okay, so let's fill the missing letters. A dash 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 ES. So A P P L E S, apples. Okay, complete the letters A P P L E S, apples. Bunty likes to eat apples. Now here let's tick in the circle. Can you tell me we can eat apple without peeling or with peeling before eating? We can eat apples without peeling. Okay, so tick in the first one. Okay, tick in the eat without peeling. Okay, now let's see the second one. Here Fija likes to eat. Yes, which fruit is this? Right, oranges. Okay, so here Fija likes to eat oranges. Okay, and what is the spelling of oranges? Dash dash A N dash dash S. So let's find out the missing letters. The spelling of oranges is ORANGES, oranges. So we will write ORANGES, oranges. Fija likes to eat oranges. So here oranges, we always peel orange before eating, right? We peel orange before eating. So here in the second one we will take the peel before eating. So take in the peel before eating. Okay, now number 3, let's see. Jia likes to eat. Now which fruit is this? This is guava. Okay, so Jia likes to eat guava, and the spelling of guava is GUAVAS, guavas. Okay, Jia likes to eat guavas. So students, complete the spelling GUAVAS, guavas. Okay, now here tell me that guava we can eat without peeling or with peel. Guava we can eat without peeling. Okay, so in the last one you have to take eat without peeling. Okay, in that line you take the last one. Okay, now in this slide some changes are there. Before we find the fruit that peel or without peel, but here it's come eat their seeds or do not eat their seeds. Now here we have to find out that fruits that we eat their seeds and fruits that we don't eat their seeds. Okay, fill in the missing letters to get the names of some fruit and tick in the correct. Okay, so let's find out the fruits that we eat with seed. Okay, now here Ronnie likes to eat. Which fruit is this? Yes, this is cherries. So here Ronnie likes to eat cherries. Now cherries, some letters are missing, right? So now let's find letters and complete the spelling of cherries. C dash dash R R dash dash S. So let's write the complete spelling of cherries. C H E R R I E S, cherries. Okay, C H E R I E S, cherries. Ronnie likes to eat cherries. Now the seed of cherry can we eat? No, right? So we will tick in the do not eat their seeds. Okay, the fourth one we will tick to the do not eat their seed, because we cannot eat the seed of cherry. So tick there. Now let's see the fifth one. Susan likes to eat. Now which fruit is this? This is papaya. Okay, so Susan likes to eat papaya, and the spelling of papaya is P-A-P-A-Y-A-S, papayas. P-A-P-A-Y-A-S, papayas. Okay, Susan likes to eat papayas, and we cannot eat the seeds of papayas. So again we have to tick to the do not eat their seeds. Okay, tick to the do not eat their seeds. Okay, now next, number 6. Baljit likes to eat. Yes, again which fruit is this? Yes, the king of fruit, that is mango. Here Baljit likes to eat mangoes, and the spelling of mangoes is M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes. M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes. Baljit likes to eat mangoes, and the seed of mango we cannot eat, right? So again we have to tick in the line of do not eat their seed. Okay, so we cannot eat the seed of cherry, we cannot eat the seeds of papaya, and we cannot eat the seeds of mango also. So both three are, we have to tick in the do not eat their seeds. Okay. Now our next content is what will they use. Here what will they use means I will read some lines. Okay, here we have to find out what will they use and complete the sentence. Okay, here in the box I have given the answer, only you have to find out the correct and write in the correct answer. So what will these people need? Okay, choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. Okay, choose the correct answer from the box and fill in the blanks. Okay, now number 1, I will make coconut chutney in the, yes, can you guess in which we can make coconut chutney? Can we make coconut chutney in the toaster? No, right? Here in the box it's given correct word. So what we have to find out. Okay, frying pan, oven, mixer grinder, toaster, pressure cooker. These are the words. So which word is the correct word? Can you guess? I will make coconut chutney. So coconut chutney we will make in the mixer grinder. So the correct word is mixer grinder. Okay, so number first is mixer grinder. Write down mixer grinder. Okay, now the second one is I need dash to make an omelette. Okay, I need dash to make an omelette. So which word is correct for this blank? The correct word is frying pan. Okay, I need frying pan to make an omelette. For making an omelette we need frying pan. Without frying pan we cannot make omelette. Okay, so the correct word is frying pan. Okay, now let's see the next. Third one is I will boil potatoes in a. So here in the given box which one is correct for this blank? I will boil potatoes in a. The correct answer is pressure cooker. Okay, I will boil potatoes in a pressure cooker. The right answer is, the correct answer is pressure cooker. So third is pressure cooker. Now let's see the next. Fourth, I want to bake a cake. Okay, I want to bake a cake. I need an, for baking cake what we need? We need oven, right? So The fourth one is oven. The correct answer is oven. I want to bake a cake, so I need an oven. Okay. Now next, fifth. I will put the bread in the I will put the bread in the toaster. Okay, to make bread toast, what we will do? We will put the bread in the toaster. So from the given answer, the correct answer is toaster for this blank. Okay, so we have find the whole correct answer, right? So please write down this in your book. Okay, and let's stop here for today. We will meet for in the next class with the next chapter. Okay.